Hello everyone. My name is Sam. Today, I want to tell you about my daily life. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. When I wake up, I feel a little tired, but I get up quickly. First, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then, I make my bed and open the window to get fresh air. After that, I eat breakfast. I usually drink tea or milk and eat bread, cheese, or eggs. Breakfast is very important because it gives me energy for the day. At 8 o'clock, I go to school. I walk to school because it is close to my house. At school, I study English, math, and science. English is my favorite subject. I like learning new words and speaking with my teacher. At 12 o'clock, I eat lunch. Sometimes I eat rice and chicken, sometimes I eat sandwiches. I usually eat with my friends, and we talk and laugh together. In the afternoon, I go home. I do my homework and then I read a book or watch TV. Sometimes, I play football in the park with my friends. Playing football makes me happy and healthy. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family. We sit together, talk about our day, and enjoy the food. After dinner, I help my mother wash the dishes. Later, I relax. Sometimes I listen to music, sometimes I watch YouTube videos. I also study English for 15 minutes. I learn new words and practice speaking. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. Before I sleep, I read a short story or write in my diary. I feel tired but happy, because I had a good day. That is my daily routine. Thank you for listening to my podcast.